Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to our home. So Kelly, you ready?
I am ready.
All right, what's that time again? It's time for the big question. And we have more title questions coming in, especially what is title insurance?
That's a great question. And today, actually, we have a special guest today. This is Kim Hill. She's an escrow officer with Lawyers Title, the Cathy Miller Team. She's been with them for 35 years. That's a long time in title. We're going to pitch that question to you. What is title insurance?
That's a good question. Title insurance is what we issue to the buyer and to the lender, showing that they have good title to the property, a good defendable title. To do that, though, we have to go in and do a title search, which we go back as far as we need to go in title to make sure there's no breaks in the title, there's no judgments or liens that haven't been satisfied over the years. We're definitely checking for federal tax liens, mortgages, all kinds of things like that.
Oh, okay. And so what is the cost usually involved?
On a $100,000 policy, that's $875, which is pretty nominal for the insurance that you get on that.
Yeah, that's great. That's good information to know. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Kim. Well, if you have a topic for our next big question, feel free to leave a message down below. We'd love to hear your feedback. Well, thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.
See ya.